Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you my favorite everyday neutral shades from MAC Cosmetics. So let's get started. The first shade that I'm going to show you is called Taupe. I'm going to try it on. The next lipstick shade is Hug Me. Twig. PATISSERIE. Velvet Teddy. Kinda sexy. TWIRL. So those are my favorite MAC lipstick. If you have a favorite everyday lipstick from MAC that I didn't cover, just comment down below. We'd love to try it. Thank you so much dolls again for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to put a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much dolls again for watching. See you!